in this side, because then I will end up with my implant too far to the labial side. So we need somewhere around 2-3 millimeters against the palatal wall. That's around here somewhere where I should place my first drill. And that drill is in this direction. And if you think that's too far to the palatal, this is exactly where I want to be. Because if I'm going to the midline around here, my drill will end up here and the whole buccal, the implant, will move to the labial side. And that's something we really want to avoid in this case. And then the second drill and the third drill, we still have a palatal direction, so we can make a screw-retained crown. We have our labial gap, so we can fill that up later on with a bovine bone material, and the direction is quite correct as we planned it. We wanted to go from more distal, a little bit that direction, and we're still avoiding the incisal foramen. In this picture, you can clearly see that I'm doing my osteotomy palatal of the alveolus that was around here. So in this direction, I want to place my implant. And if you open it up, if we enlarge this picture, we can see that it's almost a full osteotomy. So the implant will be fully in bone. And then we can place our implants immediately. I placed here a Megagen Enrich 4x13 implant. You can see the sharp press. This is the kind of implant which will ensure we will get a high initial insertion torque value. So the initial stability is good. And I always make an X-ray directly when I place my implant. If it's in the wrong direction, I can always correct it. But I think the alveol went this part and we went slightly to the distal part. If I move the implant more to the mesial, I would hit the incisal foramen, and that could cause some bone loss on the long term. And that's